Thanks very much. A special prosecutor today clears 2 law enforcement officers in the shooting death of a Dearborn County man.
Elaine Kong tells us what led to the decision.
Back in January, law enforcement showed up to this home in Sunman after receiving a domestic disturbance call.
She talked about earlier in the day, he told her that he was going to die that day. He had an epiphany. I mean, those were his words to her.
Ric Hertel is the Ripley County prosecutor in charge of this investigation. He says Cassie Schmitt explained the moments leading up to the death of her husband, 58-year-old Christopher Schmitt.
I can't get in Christopher Schmitt's mind to say what he was specifically thinking.
Hertel says there were signs of an attempt of suicide by police officer. Dearborn County Deputy Brian Weigel and Indiana State Trooper Jordan Craig were the first to get to the home. Both said the couple fought over a knife.
And they start to approach the house and they see the struggle ongoing inside. Then the male exits with a weapon pointed at them, I think in fear for themselves, both of those two, and the female inside.
Hertel says both Weigel and Craig followed protocol.
They saw what appeared to be a long gun, a rifle type gun, and they saw it, and they did not have time to determine whether or not it was an air rifle, a semi-automatic weapon, or something else.
Christopher was shot 4 times in the left arm and chest. He died at a hospital in Batesville. Crime scene technicians later found his weapon was a BB gun. The autopsy shows traces of alcohol and prescribed medication inside Christopher's body.
Now, she also called us yesterday expressing an interest in sharing her side of the story on the phone. She said her husband had dementia and there was no domestic violence, as she has reported before to the police. Now, we did try to reach her today, but had no luck. Cami, back to you.
All right, Elaine, thank you. And Cassie Schmitt told detectives that her husband suffered from dementia.